Hey everyone, welcome back to the latest GoSkills Excel Challenge solution. How close did you get to solving it? Hey everyone, let's go through how we tackled this inventory optimization challenge using Excel Solver. We're going to walk through the solution step by step. First, we're optimizing inventory levels across multiple stores and warehouses to minimize costs. We're focusing on holding, transportation, and stock out costs. So for task number 1, calculate total inventory costs. That's holding and transportation and stock out costs. We're going to do that down in cell D33 using the sum function. So let's start with that. Equals sum. We're going to multiply this array, the stock allocation, with the shipment costs array. Then we're going to add the product of the total stock with the holding costs per unit. And lastly, we're going to add the product of the stock out amounts with the stock out cost per unit. Once we have all that in place, we hit enter to calculate the total inventory cost. Now that's the first task. The second task is we're going to use Solver to find the minimum costs under all the constraints that we have. So let's start by first ensuring that we have the Solver add-in installed. If you don't see Solver under the data ribbon, you can go to File and Options and Add-ins, and under there you can see if you have Solver add-in activated. When you do, go ahead and open Solver. Again, go to the Data tab and then the Analyze group. And now inside the Solver window, we can begin. First, we're going to set the objective to cell D33. And we're interested in the minimum inventory costs. So instead of max, we're going to select min. For variable cells, we want to select the array D23 to H25. Those are the variable cells that can change. And now we can add our constraints. So we actually have 3 constraints. The first one, everything in this array must be greater than or equal to 0. No negative stock. So that's the first constraint. The second constraint is that all the quantities must be equal to or less than its capacity. And now the third constraint, our total stock for each store must equal the monthly demand. That's the third constraint. Now once we have the 3 constraints set up, we want to actually uncheck this little checkbox that says make unconstrained variables non-negative. We don't need that. We're going to hit solve. And we're going to get the solution. We're going to keep this because Solver has found the best result here and all the constraints are satisfied. So we're going to hit OK. And this is the minimum cost under all constraints. Now, if you are curious and want to explore the step-by-step iterations, you can go back into Solver, into the options, and you can enable Show Iteration Results. But otherwise, that's how you solve both parts of this challenge. And we're curious if you did the same thing. How did you solve this? Go ahead and share your thoughts in the Slack channel, and let's discuss. Thanks, everyone. See you soon. So there it is. Did you get the same results? Did you use the same approach? Or did you try something different? We'd like to know. Share your take on the challenge in the comments below or join us for more discussion in our Slack channel. Link in the description. Thanks for participating and make sure to subscribe to this channel to get an alert when the next challenge is released. We'll see you then.